We're going to start off our polar bear cub with a large circle in the centre of the page. This is going to be the body. Now remember, the circle doesn't have to be perfect. Look how bad mine is. Don't worry, just draw a very rough circle. This is just a rough outline, and draw it much lighter than I am doing. Next, we're going to be drawing a smaller circle. This is going to be the head. This is to the right hand side, just slightly smaller. Again, doesn't have to be perfect. As you can see, mine certainly isn't. We're going to erase all of these, so if your circle's a disaster, then it really doesn't matter. Now, where you see this circle cross this circle, this is going to be the nose area. So just draw a rough kind of ball thing there. And then here is where the eye is going to be. So another little rough circle there and one here. And now for the ears, just a small line, curved line like that, and another curved line like that, starting to take shape. Now, starting here, we're going to be drawing the front paw. So this is going to curve all the way around, just overlap here, come back in and up like that. And then the other one's just peeking out from behind here. Now for the hind leg and the hind paw. This one's just going to be, if you just draw a little oval shape down here, that's the base, that's the paw. In the middle of this oval shape, just draw a curved line. Now remember, if I go too quickly, just hit pause and rewind. Now I'm switching to pen, but please carry on in pencil. This is just so that you can see it better on camera. We're going to start off with the nose and muzzle areas. So just draw a shape like this and then colour it all in and just draw a few lines just going upwards like this. Now for the mouth, just underneath, just a little shape like this. Now we're going to be doing the eyes, so one eye here. So polar bears live in the Arctic, and the newborn cubs weigh approximately 0.5 kilogram, more or less. But they grow about 20 times their original body weight within the first 12 weeks of their life, so they grow super rapidly. And that's because mother's milk is just so rich, it's amazing. It contains about 31% fat, and helps the cubs to grow so quickly. Now this other eye, just leave a little tiny little dot of white just to show the reflection of the light. Now we're just going to draw a series of teeny little dots just to show where the muzzle's going, and then it goes up like this and then comes round from here. Just tiny little dots. You just want to give the impression. And then the bottom of the mouth. Now these dots turn into much longer lines to show the fur. So here we have much longer fur. So I'm using longer lines till we get to the ear. Now we're going to be drawing the ear in. Again, using these long lines to show that it's furry. It's the easiest way to kind of draw fur. Draw the inside. And again, these longer lines all the way back here. Coming all the way around until we just follow this circle shape that we did in pencil before, till we come to there. We're now going to finish off this ear, which is just tucked in round there, and the inside. Now, starting here, we're just going to be drawing a series of these furry lines, just connecting this circle to the other circle. So it goes all the way down. Make them a little bit longer till they hit the ground, which is just here. Now we're just going to be drawing this back paw, slightly hidden by the front leg, and then just coming upwards like this. And then now we're going to be drawing this front leg. So just starting here, just going to be drawing all these furry lines going all the way down. So the cubs stay with their mum for just over 2 years, and in that time they need to learn a lot. They need to learn when and where to migrate, how to hunt, and how to navigate sea ice, among other things. When we get to here, just draw. We're going to be drawing the little toes. So just draw some lines going upwards. And then one coming up like this. And then for the little claws, just little ones. And here we're going to be drawing a line of dots coming all the way up to the top. Make that a little bit darker. And then I'm just going to be drawing the top of the front paw on the other side. Like that. And then we're just going to join this circle shape that we did before. And add some claws. So polar bears have black skin under the layers of translucent fur, which looks white from the reflected snow. Okay, so if you haven't gone over it in pen yet, go over it in pen and erase all the pencil markings. So we're just going to add some finishing touches. I'm just going to make this area much darker as it's in shadow. Just colour in there. A little bit of shading just here. And just underneath. On the back of here. A little bit more here. And just slightly underneath the chin here. And then I'm just going to draw in some snow. A little bit of shadow underneath here. I'll put in a few little dots here for the whiskers. And there we have our finished polar bear cub. I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you'd like to draw other baby animals, check out this playlist now. You're going to love it.